Gold and silver started the week bullish here. We have seen gold hitting the highs at 27.33 in the early trades now, and silver has also seen 34.12 levels. What to expect now throughout the day from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, friends. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on a multi-time frame analysis with the help of charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the entry exits and the take profits as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till on the hourly charts for gold. If you see the, let me show you something. See, this is a bullish move, then the retracement, and since then gold is trading in this bullish channel, and this is a modestly bullish channel. Now if you look at the support levels, 27.20, 27.18 has become a greater support for gold for the day, and only if it trades below 27.20, 27.18, we can see slight bearishness prevailing here, and it may show up slight bearishness. Right now there is no indication of bearishness here in gold, and thus we have to wait for a while for it to confirm the bearish move here. Yes, if it drops below this zone, you can expect slight bearishness to prevail. Right now also look at these three candles, the bullishness getting exhausted on the hourly charts, and the possibility of this become a reversal candle exists. However, not yet confirmed, it is still trading bullish. Moving averages are also trading divergent and bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD at a high here on the day hourly charts, and the RSI is also overbought. So yes, the indications are slightly overbought, and it appears that the bulls appears to have exhausted a bit, and we have to wait for a while for it to take a direct. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, continuing its up move here, the bullishness getting diminished. That is one point you should. Second thing is the channel in which it is trading. The channel is quite important. It is almost at the highs of it, and breaking past 27.36. We can look forward to 27.50 levels as well. Yes, if it breaks past 27.36, we can look forward to 27.50 levels as well, which is going to be now the next milestone for it to break past by in order to stay bullish for the rest of the week. If it breaks past by 27.50-52, I think we may look forward to 27.75-80, or in fact 2800 levels as well. But I think the bulls definitely appears to have a bit exhausted, it appears. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising. The RSI is also overbought here on the 2 hour charts. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, consistently straight bullish candles here, increasing body size, and see the body sizes here. After the stronger rise last week, we have seen now the bulls getting exhausted a bit. Yes, it is delivering consistent bullish candles, increasing body size, but the body sizes have definitely diminished here. However, for now there are no signs of reversal, and thus as long as it stays above 27.20, 27.18 zone today, we should not be treating this as bearish. Also remember, too much of divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge a bit. However, it is not showing any such sign as of now. Stochastic also staying overbought on the 3 hour charts. The MACD is also at extremes here, and the RSI is also overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour charts, hitting the highs with this candle now. It is trying to restrain its movement, and yes, if it breaks beyond 27.36, we can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to keep moving towards 27.41, 42 and 27.50, 52. If these two levels are taken, certainly there is no looking back for gold for the rest of the week, it appears. Yes, it is overbought on the stochastic, MACD, and RSI on the 4 hour charts as well. Coming to daily, if you look at daily charts, see a step is created, and yes, that was outside Bollinger Bands. The bands have expanded here. It is putting pressure on the bands to expand more. However, also if you see the support levels at 27.20, is very strong, and it is continuing outside Bollinger Bands. At the current levels, I will not recommend you to buy. We have to wait for a while for it to break on the upside in order to stay bullish or confirm bullish breakout as well. Possibility of a red candle exists. What it can do, it can erase the gains from the preceding candle, deliver higher lows here. If it continues to do that, which means there is a possibility of a move towards 2700. But the support levels here are strong. First at 27.18.20, then 27.12, and then 27.06.02 levels will come into picture, which are going to remain at the supports for the day. Yes, the daily stochastic is also extremely overbought. However, the MACD is showing further room for a rise. It is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards, and the RSI is overbought. So before I give you the levels for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a broker which can offer you a swap-free account with lowest spreads, no hidden charges, hassle-free processes, safer environment for you to trade, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at the charts, it is very simple that buying entry now is only about 27.36, where you can expect 27.40.42 as the first and 27.50.52 as the next. Remember, if these two levels are taken, I think for the rest of the week, gold might stay bullish here, where the chances of it hitting 2775 and 2800 levels will be high. While on the downside today, I will recommend you to sell. You can sell here at 2726. However, 2722, 2718 are the two levels it needs to break. And then 2712, 2714, the second one. If these two levels are taken, chances will be very, very high that we may see a movement towards 2700 or in fact lower levels here, where it can move towards 2694, 2684 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver is staying bullishly, stronger rise, then couple of retracement candles on the early charts, then a stronger bullish candle. Now trying to retrace. Now remember, bearishness for silver is only and only if it trades below 3350, which appears to be a far below level for it to break past by. Possibly you can take a selling entry if it stays below 3380, but at least till 3380, do not think of selling silver. And yes, too much of divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge. The 20 period moving average is sitting at around 3320, 3340 levels. The stochastic here is also overbought. MACD is at extremes here on the early charts, and it calls for a stronger conversion and a crossover for sell. Right now, I do not see it willing to cross over, but this should appear. See, this is a vertical line, so this should soon try to reverse. If you look at the RSI, this is staying overbought here on the early charts. On the 2-hour charts, if you see, likewise on the 2-hour charts, a flat top is seen, and with the flat top, it is willing to erase some of the gains. This could be the reversal sign. However, it is very important for silver to break below 3350. That is the only confirmation that now it is reversing. As long as it stays above 3350, we should not be treating silver as bearish. However, there is a possibility of a move towards 3380, 3350 levels, but only breaking below which you can say that now silver is turning bearish. There could be slight retreat, and a buying entry is only about 3420, where you can expect it to keep moving upwards to 3445, 3465 levels, and then beyond that $35 levels are also possible. Anything is possible. See the move what we had seen in the last trading session. If in fact it delivers half of that, also the levels are going to be beyond 35. But remember, too much of divergence here of the price from the moving average calls for it to converge. Let's see if it starts its downward movement here. Stochastic here is also overbought. The MACD is also has seen a extreme rise. The candle sizes have peaked. Possibility of it to start converging means deliver bearish move or deliver red candles exists strong. RSI extremely overbought here. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts, what has happened here? It is stayed bullish. It has given a gap up and delivered higher highs here. Now see, this could be a reversal candle. This could be a reversal confirmation. But what has happened after this? We have seen it delivering another strong bullish move, and it has hit higher highs. Now it is important for the next candle to at least trade below 3380. You can take a sell at 3380, expect it to keep moving towards 3350, and once it trades below 3350, we can confirm that now the bears are back, else it is still staying bullish. Yes, it has delivered a stronger rise. There has to be a slight pullback, and we have to wait for it to confirm that pullback. Dropping below 3350 is where the bears are waiting, where we can look forward to 3320 and $33 levels as well. The stochastic slightly overbought, or MACD is also extremely at overbought levels, and the RSI is also overbought here. So for silver, definitely things are slightly overbought. There has to be a pullback sooner or later. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, likewise, see a flat top is seen. It is trying to retrace here. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to stay below 3350. That is the only level below which you can say that the bears are back. And yes, there is a possibility that a little retracement can be seen. The stochastic is staying extremely overbought, and see this is curving here, and this suggests that it could start its downward move. MACD extremely bullish, RSI extremely overbought. So yes, things are overbought, but remember what happens when the things get overbought. More buyer more buyers pitch in, and then it stays at an elevated or overbought levels for a while. So this phenomena is what we are observing right now, where things are overbought here for metals, but again more buyers are pitching in and it is keeping the things elevated. Let's see how far it stretches. Now look at the daily charts for silver: higher highs, lower lows, and the median here at around 33.80. You can notice that 30 cents here and 30 cents here, almost the median here at 33.80, and it has to trade below this median in order to confirm bearishness, while a breakout beyond while a breakout beyond 34.20 will confirm further rise towards 34.45, then 34.65 and higher levels. Remember, it is already stretching its move on the upside outside bulling up. The stochastic here is overbought. The MACD is extremely divergent and bullish, and it is looking upwards, and the RSI is overbought as well. Looking at this, buy at 34.20, expect 34.45, 34.65, and then $35 levels as the next targets. I think now the bullishness should be diminished today. We should not expect such a stronger rise what we had seen the last trading session. The silver movement in silver might stay in range here. While on the downside, you can sell here at 33.80, expect 33.50-60 as the first target. If it breaks below 33.50, that is the only point where you can say that we may see bearishness towards 33.20, 32.80, and in fact lower levels are possible. Take your trades accordingly. See you before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.